Good morning. Welcome to Indo Editorial Analysis Series presented by Diction Addiction. Indo Editorial on 15th December 2020, title Eastern Disquiet on Trinamool BJP Tussle in West Bengal. Moderator Dr. KPS Human. It is now disconcertingly clear that Assembly election in West Bengal in early 2021 will be one of the fiercest political combats in the history of India. A spectral violence is being foretold in a series of murders and clashes in recent weeks. With the ruling party at the center, Bharatiya Janata Party, determined to displace the party in power in the state, the All India Trinamool Congress, which is equally determined to guard its reign, government are also being drawn into partisan conduct. According to one report, more than 50 political murders have taken place in the state since 2019 Lok Sabha election, when a BJP made inroads by winning 18 out of its 42 seats. Limited to West and North India in its early stages of growth, the BJP has adopted an Act East policy to reinforce its dominance since 2014. Having won Assam in 2016 and gaining foothold in several northeastern states, the party has set its eyes on West Bengal this year, which is pouring resources and deploying personnel with alacrity. The party's impressive performance in the neighboring state of Bihar recently added further tailwood to the BJP's eastward foray. The party's 2019 advances were largely among Hindu migrants from what is today's Bangladesh. The controversial Citizenship Act is now a key flank of the BJP. The AATMSC that replaced the Left Front, which had been in power for 34 years until 2011, is starting at crisis now. It was successful in mobilizing the resentment against the left, but failed to buttress itself with an alternative governance and political agenda. The left has joined the Congress in the margins, and it will be a contest between the aggressive Hindutva agenda of the BJP and the coherence of the AATMC, which is often seen as indulgence of Muslim communal politics in West Bengal. The police have been ineffective against violence activists of the ruling party. The recent mob attack on convoy of BJP President JP Nadda marked a deterioration in the law and order situation. The BJP has responded by roping in the governor and the Union Home Ministry, which has sought to attach 3 IPS officers without clearance from the state government. The state government has since refused to relieve them for central deputation. The battle between AATMC and the BJP should not become a tussle between the center and the state. The role of Election Commission will also be under scrutiny in the once it announces the schedule for election. Governments and constitutional functionaries must stay above the fray, regardless of the high stakes parties might be playing for